Come here. Well, that's a bigger one too.
Big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love big fish.
That's a nice size.
Look.
Look.
It's like a medium. Let's do it. Let's do it. Susie, Dad. Guys, remember the name? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Jacob. Jacob. We named it after Daddy and Watch. Here I go.
Here, hold that. That's a nice size for this one. Holy cow. Here.
It's so wet.
All right.
Bye, Jacob and Daddy.
Hold this, honey.
Bye, Jacob. Bye, Jacob. Bye, Jacob.
All right. There's another one. Are you going to name them?
Yeah, Jacob.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye, Jacob. Bye, Jacob. I don't home.
You know, he's going back to his home, guys.
Bye, Jerry.
All right, go sit down now, please. Good job.
I miss Jerry already. Bye, Jerry. Bye, Jacob. Bye, Jerry.
You guys want another one? There we go. Ready? Daddy picked the right bait to use now, huh? All right, we need to sit still, guys. Oh, one just jumped over there.
What?
A fishy just jumped. Son, we need to sit down. Come on, please. No, not yet. I'm going to go sit down before you get hooked in the head. Son, please. Come on, buddy. No, not yet. I want you to come over here and sit next to your sisters, please. Come on, hit it again. Hit it again. I just had another hit, guys.
What?
Just had another hit. You ready?
Yeah. Let's go over there, guys. Go. Is that what I... No. Can I go in the house?
Yeah.
Let's go in the house.
All right, go sit down, buddy. Watch out.
Get her, Dad. Get her, Dad.
I missed that guy. So what are your fishies' names that you guys we threw back?
Jerry and Jacob. Okay. Let me make that. I know the next one. You. Let's go get some. Jerry, where's your home?
Ah, there's another bump. Almost had him again. Go get it. It can't be in the water, Jaden. Get it. Give me your feet or your hand. Bend down there and get it. Well, I got you. Yeah, throw it away.
Okay, where?
I don't know. Let's put it right here. Put it right there next to the bag. I need you guys to go sit down. I don't want you guys getting hooked. Son, come here. No. No. Son, I said no.
It's touching.
I said no.
What is it? Don't you put the pig? Don't you put the pudding?
Get back, bud.
Daddy, get this.
No, how about no? You guys want to go to the other one?
Yeah.
There's another pond.
Guys, there's a bed. There's a bed. Daddy, go over. Let's see in the view. Let's go on. Sandcastle was nice for Daddy. Daddy, you can't see our sandcastle.
All right, go on. Let's go down to the other one. Come on.
Come on. Daddy, look at our sandcastle.
You need to hush, baby. Come on.
Daddy, look at our sandcastle.
Yeah, come here. No, just sit down. I didn't know these guys moved out the way, so. See if I can catch one more.
Yeah.
Get away from the water, please. Jacob, get away from the water, please. Well, I want you away from the water, please. I don't care if you watch me, but get away from the water.
You get a good one,
Go play with your sisters, bud.
but then look at me.
Go play with your sisters. Piece of what, buddy?
That rock.
No.
This.
Yeah, go over there with it.
Dad, you want us to do another sandcastle?
Sure.
I'm holding you. I'm holding you. I'm holding you.
You want to hold that for me? Yeah, you can hold that. I ain't get skunked today. Got 2. See if we go for number 3 here. Welcome back to another episode of fishing for bass in Nevada. Some of our little ponds that we have around here. Of course, I got all 3 of my kids with me. They're behind me building sand castles out of rocks, it looks like. Oh no, they are using sand. Didn't really do too much of an intro.